In this lesson, we're going to start looking at ways we can change the properties of items in our library. We already saw that there's a little button down here at the bottom of the library that allows this, but we can also use the Options menu, choose Properties here, or we can right-click on a PC or Control-click on a Mac for the Context menu. Now, we can have a few different item types in the library, and properties for some of these different types are a little bit different. So, in this lesson, we're going to look at properties for graphic, button, and movie clip symbols. The properties for these three types are all the same. Open the Properties dialog box, and you'll see that aside from giving the symbol a new name, you can also convert the symbol to a different type. This is kind of handy. One thing you'll need to remember, though, is that once you do this, you've only changed the symbol properties for any future instances of this that you place on the stage. It doesn't change any existing ones. If you've already placed instances of this symbol in your movie, you'll have to locate all of these instances and change their type as well if you want them to inherit the new behavior. Let's go do that now. Change this to movie clip and hit OK. Here we have an instance of that symbol. A very easy way to do this is simply to select it, open the Properties Inspector, and over here on the left you can see Instance Behavior. Now, even though I've changed this to a movie clip, we see that it still has button behavior. So we can grab the drop-down menu here and choose Movie Clip. Keep in mind, though, that you will need to make sure that you change behaviors in all keyframes of tweens in the timeline. We have one here that I've just changed, but we also have one over here. Select this and we'll see that it's still stuck on button. You need to change this as well, or otherwise you'll probably break your tween. Okay, let's return to the Symbol Properties dialog. You may have noticed that we have another button down here in the corner. It's labeled Advanced. Click that and we have two new areas labeled Linkage and Source. Linkage options allow you to do many things, including the loading of assets such as bitmap images in your movie at runtime, instead of having to place them on the stage. Flash 8 gives us a really cool new class called bitmap data. And the word class in this instance means a set of predefined actions and rules to use in ActionScript. If you're planning on continuing on to more advanced Flash concepts after this course, have a look into it. It's very useful. The source area is cool. You can grab symbols from other documents quickly and easily. Let's hit Browse, locate another file, and we get to choose from all the symbols in that document. Or we can make and use a duplicate of one. And finally, we can enable 9-slice scaling that we've talked about elsewhere in this course. And that's it for symbol properties in the library panel.